Most people stay broke not because they don't make enough money, but because of bad financial habits. And the worst part? They don't even realize it. In this video, I'll reveal to you 5 simple but dangerous money habits that are keeping you poor, and how to fix them. Stay till the end, because habit 5 is the most common but also the most destructive. The first habit that keeps you poor is spending more than you earn. We all know this one, but do we actually fix it? If you're living paycheck to paycheck, chances are you're spending more than you should, leading to credit card debt, no savings or investments, and reliance on loans just to survive. The solution is simple. Track your expenses using free apps like Mint or YNAB to see where your money is going and follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Remember, small changes today equals huge financial freedom tomorrow. Habit 2. Relying too much on debt. Credit cards, personal loans, and buy now pay later schemes may seem like lifesavers, but they can trap you in an endless cycle of debt, often costing you more in interest than you originally borrowed and limiting your ability to invest and build wealth. To break free, prioritize paying off high-interest debt using the snowball or avalanche method and live below your means. If you can't afford it twice, don't buy it once. Remember, debt is a tool, not a lifestyle. Use it wisely. Habit 2. Not having a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear before you know it. Not having a budget means you're constantly guessing your financial situation. You spend impulsively, never knowing how much you can actually save, and face challenges with unexpected costs. To address this, implement an effective budgeting strategy such as the zero-based budget, ensuring every dollar serves a purpose. Additionally, automate your savings by arranging a direct transfer to your savings account before you access your funds. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Habit 4. Keeping you poor. Impulse buying. Have you ever entered a store intending to buy just one item, only to walk out with 10? Or perhaps you've encountered a limited time sale and found yourself spending $100 on unneeded items? Impulse buying can wreak havoc on your budget, leading you to purchase things you don't truly need and causing regret afterward. To fix this, use the 24-hour rule. If you want something, wait 24 hours before buying, unsubscribe from shopping emails, and remove saved credit cards from online stores. If it's not in your budget, it's not in your cart. The next habit that keeping you poor. Not investing early enough. This is one of the biggest money mistakes people make, thinking investing is only for the rich. The truth? The earlier you start, the less money you need to invest. Delaying investing means missing out on compound interest, the secret to long-term wealth, and working harder for money instead of letting money work for you. Start now, even with just $10, using platforms like Robinhood, Vanguard, or ETFs, and focus on long-term growth, not quick profits. The best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time? Right now. To recap, if you want to break free from financial struggles, stop these 5 habits today. Spending more than you earn, relying too much on debt, not having a budget, impulse buying, and not investing early. Small changes can lead to big financial freedom, so start taking control of your money now. Now it's your turn. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most? Comment below, and let's talk about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next money-saving tips. Let's build wealth together. See you in my next video.